Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Siti Aisyah and this is my video assignment given by Mr. Ichal. So today I would like to share my opinion about the bad habit that many of us have, which is addiction to gadgets and social media. In my opinion, gadgets and social media has become a serious problem, especially among young people. Nowadays, we spend too much time looking at our phone, scrolling through social media, watching videos, and playing games. Sometimes, we don't even realize how many hours we spend too much every day. This habit can bring many negative effects. First, it can reduce our productivity. Instead of studying or doing something useful, we keep checking our phones. Second, it can affect our health, our eyes, and sleep quality. Many of us stay up late just to use their gadgets and scrolling through social media like TikTok and Instagram. Third, it can reduce our real social interaction. We become less connected with people around us, even with our family. I think we need to change this bad habit. One way to start is by limiting screen time. For example, we can set a specific time to use social media. We should also try to spend more time doing positive activity like reading, exercising, and talking with friends and family directly. In conclusion, gadgets and social media are useful tools, but if we use them too much, they can be harmful. So, we must be more aware and control ourselves to create a healthier and more balanced life. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, it's me again, Siti Aisyah. So today I'm going to talk about comparison, its comparative and superlative forms. I hope this presentation will help you understand how to compare things correctly in English. So, what is comparison? Comparison is used when we want to compare things or ideas or people. There are three types of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Each type has a different function, and I will explain them one by one. First, positive degree. This is the basic form of an adjective, and we use it when we are not comparing anything. We just describe something. For example, she is tall or the book is interesting. So there is no comparison here, just a simple description. Next, comparative degree. We use this form when we are compare two things. For short adjectives, we usually add and use than. For longer adjectives, we use more. For example, she is taller than me, or this is more expensive than that. So, this form helps us show differences between two things. Now, let's talk about superlative degree. We use this when we compare more than two things, usually to show the highest level. For short adjectives, we use the est, and for long adjectives, we use the most. For example, she is the tallest in the class, or this is the most beautiful place. So, this is used to show something is number one or the best. Now, let's look at short and long adjectives. Short adjectives usually have one syllable, like fast or tall. Long adjectives have two or more syllables, like beautiful or expensive. This is more important because the form of comparison depends on whether the adjective is short or long. There are also some spelling changes we need to remember. For example, big becomes bigger and happy becomes happier. Besides that, there are irregular forms that don't follow the normal rules. For example, good becomes better and bad becomes worse. So, we need to memorize these forms. We also use comparison to show equality. We use as blah 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 as when with two things are the same. For example, she is as tall as her sister. This means both of them have the same height. To show that two things are not the same, we use not as blah 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 as. For example, this car is not as fast as that one. It means the first car is slower than the second one. So, to conclude, comparison is used to compare things. There are three types: positive, comparative, and superlative forms. We also need to pay attention to adjective forms and rules. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.